This is my brand new DVD, Nature's Awakening for 2014. You're going to get 252 photographs set to music, and it fades in and out. The piano music is written by Mark Thurston and is very uplifting and enthusiastic. I'm going to show you a short clips of some of the videos and pass the word. It would be great for restaurants, doctor's offices, anybody's got a big screen TV, nursing homes, elderly, people that are confined. Here we go. Nature's Awakening, brand new DVD ready to be released. Order yours today. You can go to Nature's Breath on canvas.com. Order yours from the cart or the contact page. Hey, have a happy 2014.